When I need to print or to communicate my drawing information with others, I can look on the Output tab, and I have options for creating a print or a plot of my drawings. These could be on paper, or it could be an electronic file that I create. I can preview to see what it's going to look like. I can publish or create sheet sets where I can have multiple drawings that make up a set that can be printed. I can publish to the web or put information into a format that can be posted on a website for review. You can also e-transmit, like attaching to an email to send to other people. We're going to look mainly at our options for plotting. Right now we're looking at our drawing in ModelSpace. We know that ModelSpace is where we do most of our drawing construction. When it comes time to set up for printing, we use layouts. To view the ModelSpace and layouts for this particular drawing, we're going to use Quick View Layouts. And I click on this and I can see that I have ModelSpace where I'm currently, and I have 4 layouts. Layouts are generally used for setting up our drawing for printing. In each one of these thumbnails, you'll notice that we have the option to either plot or publish directly from this particular layout. I would use plot when I want to print just this one layout. If I wanted to create a set of drawings that included all of these drawings, or even drawings from another file, I would use the publish to work with sets of drawings. So if I wanted to switch to this layout, I just click on that icon for the layout with the thumbnail. My layout, when I set it up for printing, I have at least one viewport that allows me to see my drawing that's been drawn in ModelSpace. You have your white paper area where you've designated the size of the piece of paper that it's going to be printed on, and oftentimes I have a title block that will give additional information that I want communicated with the drawing. The title block exists in my layout and not in ModelSpace. Before I plot my layout, I would double click inside the viewport and make sure that it's scaled to an appropriate scale for the type of drawing that it is and for the size of the piece of paper. Also, I would go back to the layout and fill in any information in the title block needed to be communicated with the drawing. Now we'll go to Plot, and let's look at the output options that we have. Under the drop-down box for my printer plotter, you can see that we can output this in a number of different ways. Looking down this list, I can see all of the printers that are installed in Windows, and they're also available for me inside AutoCAD. You can also see some other printing options, such as my DWF or Design Web format that makes my drawings electronically portable and can be viewed by someone else running a DWF viewer, which is a free program from Autodesk for viewing these types of drawings. A person doesn't have to have AutoCAD on their computer in order to view DWF files. You also have DWFX, which makes our DWF files compatible with the new Vista Office and DocX formats. I'm going to close my plot and look at Publish. When I click on Publish, I get my Publish box, which allows me to create a sheet set. So rather than looking at one layout, this now shows all of the layouts, and it shows the ModelSpace drawing that's included in this particular drawing. I can add additional sheets to this drawing, and I can go to other files, and I could add other layouts or ModelSpace views into this same sheet set. You can also right click and you have other options. I can remove sheets if I want to remove the ModelSpace layout. When I've created a set of drawings that I want to keep, I can publish and save these as a named set of drawings. They can be sent to the plotter that's named in the page setup, so they can be sent for output, or I can click to send them into a set that would be viewed in a DWF viewer.